Welcome back to Vegas Live with Ninon. I don't know if you realize this, but in the film business there's several takes. So this is one of those times when there are several takes. So this is for real. I hope this is for real. Anyway, they tell me that, so I'm just going to go ahead. I have David Johnson with me and Veronica, and you are a magician.
Yes.
Now you look awfully serious to be a magician, but is that how you fool everybody?
I guess so, probably.
So you've
I don't know
got
if they're
this
fooled, actually, most of the time. I have no clue.
You have, what do you mean you have no clue?
I have no clue if they're really fooled or not. I just want to entertain them.
You want to entertain
I just want to entertain them, yeah.
Now, what made you, you're very sort of sharp looking, you're very business looking.
Thank you.
And very sort of serious looking.
Yeah.
Why did you put on this particular persona to be a magician? Do you have to be like that?
Yeah, no, you don't have to.
Okay,
No.
so you are.
I am, yes. This is, the Pink Tie Magic is our show that we do together. This
Pink
is
Tie
Veronica,
Magic,
yeah,
and
Pink
then
Tie
there's
Magic.
Veronica.
Yeah,
She looks fabulous. Now you can, oh, is she lovely?
She was supposed to wear the black dress tonight. You didn't get the email about the black dress?
You get the email about the black dress?
That's okay, don't worry about it. That's
okay, that's all right. That's all right. I like
This
the
is
blue
cute, though.
dress.
It's cute.
I like
it,
blue,
yeah.
No, I like the
It's
blue
cute.
dress.
Is that a castle on your dress?
It has black on it.
It has black. That's good. All right.
She's got black and she's got
black
she's
on.
got
That's
dark
good.
hair and she's got the
remember
pink.
the bow.
You did remember the bow.
She's got
That's
the
good.
pink bow.
And you wear earrings today, so that's good.
So we're all right. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm looking at these pack of cards, and these pack of cards were put down here, and I don't know why they were put down here, but you're gonna do something.
Sure.
What are you gonna do?
Sure. We're going to do a routine for you real quick. We're going to do a...
You don't have to be in a hurry. We've got time.
All right, we got a card trick for you.
Okay.
And
you're the assistant. Okay.
yes.
Ooh.
We have
See,
a
I love
card.
how, look at this already. Already he's
We have a card trick for you, and
Called the card to envelope trick.
the card to envelope trick.
okay. So here's the thing, Veronica. One thing, she's kind of a new assistant.
Okay.
So Veronica, when you do a magic trick, you're not supposed to say what the name of the magic trick is, because then it gives away the plot line and the excitement and the surprise at the end.
So we just learned something.
It's okay. We'll do it anyways. Here's what's going to make sure all the cards are different. Is that correct? Yes. Yes.
They're all
Excellent.
different.
All right. Here's what's going to happen. You're going to go and tell me when to stop.
All right. Stop.
Run out of cards. Do that again.
Stop.
Right there. Everyone sees the card. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I'm going to take a look also. Queen of Hearts. And the Queen of Hearts. The Queen of Hearts. The Queen of Hearts is actually going to go inside of the center of the deck. We're going to snap her fingers. And the Queen of Hearts is then going to go ahead and vanish from the deck. I'll show you. Let's take a look for it. Yeah, it's gone. We'll take a look and prove it. Tell me when you see that Queen of Hearts. There's the Queen of Diamonds, right?
Yep.
There's the Queen of Clubs. There's the
Well, as long
Queen
as it
of
doesn't make me
Queen of
vanish, I'm okay.
Spades. There's the Queen of Spades, and but yeah, no Queen of Hearts. No Queen of Hearts.
He stole the Queen of Hearts.
No Queen of Hearts. Here's the cool part. Here's the cool part.
Where's the cool
Actually, in
part?
my pocket here, in my pocket, I do have.
Another Queen of Hearts.
No, she said it was the card to envelope. Here's the envelope. But since we can't do the card to envelope,
Ta-da!
we can't do the card to envelope anymore. So I have to do the envelope to card. There it is, right there. Take those back. Thank you very much. And that's it.
It's that simple. Now, how many years did that take?
That took like what, 40 seconds? Just
Yeah,
now?
but how many years
I'm
to
sorry. Yeah, to
learn?
learn. A while.
A while.
Wow, yeah.
So when you were very young, you were playing with cards. Or
I've
you
been
were
doing
playing-
magic since 1987.
1987.
So it's been 30 years now.
How old are you?
I'm 35.
30%. Oh, so he did start when he was 5 years old.
Yes.
Well, what made you go into that? It was just
There was a clown in Reno, Nevada, at the Circus who put a sponge nose into my hand
Yes.
and wanted his hand, and then his disappeared and reappeared in my hand.
Oh.
And that's kind of how I learned how to read, was getting magic books, and that's how
And you just thought you were fascinated
Yeah.
by it.
Yep, that got my goat.
And how did you become that good? Because I know that in the magic industry, and you have to be really, really good out there. Otherwise, people are not going to, watch you or see you.
Sure. Yeah, a lot of practice. A lot of time alone.
Now, where are you playing?
much
Where are
time
you
alone.
performing? A lot of time alone.
Way too much time alone. So
perform?
Veronica and I would perform for a lot of corporate events. A lot of hospitality suites, award ceremonies, trade shows.
And you get loads of them here in Vegas.
There's a lot of them here. Yeah.
So you always kept busy?
Yeah, it's fairly consistent. It's very good. Yeah.
And how did you get involved in it and get involved with David Johnson?
I think he said I was pretty one day, and I was like, okay.
I can be.
That was
I can
pretty
be
much it,
prettier.
yeah.
I can be prettier. I can really do it.
Would you like to wear pretty dresses and be on stage? And I was like, oh, twist my arm.
How
kinda how it worked out.
wonderful. So that's how it worked out. And do you help him with any of the magic tricks, or do you do any of the magic tricks?
I try to help. Do I help?
She does help. She's very she has good intentions,
Okay.
and she's got good intentions. Let's put it.
Let's
leave
put
it
it that
at
way.
Yes, yeah. She always tries to help out. as much.
And what did you do before you became in this magic syndrome?
I was a singer.
Oh,
And,
really?
Gorgeous voice.
Can you do you do a cappella?
She did a cappella for the mayor.
Do you want to do a cappella now?
Sure.
Go ahead, do something. I love doing this. I love putting them on a...
What about We Still Mean Tomorrow? Do you know that?
Could be just a short part of it.
Okay,
Go
yeah.
ahead.
Tonight you're mine completely. You give me your love so sweetly. So tell me now, and I won't ask again. Will you still love me tomorrow?
It's great.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Awesome. So she's in the show. She sings in the show also.
Oh, lovely.
There's we have different routines to do together where she sings and I'm doing magic, and
Yes.
yeah, she's great. She's
So
great.
Puts me in a straitjacket.
I put her in a straight jacket. She sings.
The usual.
She's
You
yeah.
lie above the table. Do
Keeps
you-
me from touching things.
She sings "Crazy" by Patsy Cline. She gets out of the straitjacket. We do a routine where I have a singing Etch-a-Sketch board
Yes.
that I created myself,
Okay.
and so she does a duet with the Etch-a-Sketch board where they sing back
Awesome.
and forth together. So there's a lot of stuff. Yeah,
There's a lot of stuff, so you kind of made it a little bit different.
yeah, yeah.
Which is what we need. We always need something to be a little more different rather than sort of having it the same all the time and and I think that probably gets you the work.
Yeah, it's nice to be different. It's nice to have the repeat business year after
Yes,
year.
yes.
I've been doing magic for the Las Vegas Chamber of Commerce and the LVCVA for the past 6 years, 4 shows a year.
So you've been in
for their
Vegas quite a long time.
14 years.
14 years.
Yeah.
So obviously you like Vegas.
I love it. It's great.
And what are the changes you've seen from 14 years to now? I mean, there's a lot of big changes.
More
in
buildings.
Vegas.
More buildings. More buildings.
More buildings.
A couple less, but more. Yeah.
Yeah. But do you find that Vegas has kind of changed a little bit? Or
Yeah. What do you think? You've been here longer than I have.
Vegas it went from being the weekend party town to
Yes.
now it's conventions during the week, and you still come to party on the weekends, but it's weird that it's become more of a destination than I remember it being. It's become something for everybody, not just for
not just for gambling and entertainment and all that. It's,
yeah,
but it's
people come
become
here
a city.
for
It's
the
becoming a
shows
city.
and- yeah,
I think
it's
people
great.
come here more. I think that the gambling has gone down from what I hear.
Yes.
And so people are here more for the shows, for the nightlife, and for the conventions now.
Yeah, the
For the
conventions.
clubs.
No,
Which is
everybody
great.
loves to come for the conventions. It's
Yeah.
fabulous because all the hotels now have convention
Sure.
centers in
And
them now.
the Convention and Visitors Bureau just bought out, the LVCVA just bought out all that land where the Riviera was. So they're extending out the convention center out to the Las Vegas Strip,
yeah.
which is great.
Which
It's
is
great
right
for
next to the
it's
Peppermill,
great-
which is where we are
That's
right
right,
now.
and it's great for us.
Yes.
Doing that.
Well, we're doing all that. So,
Yeah.
so no wonder he's so happy because there's a lot of people, entertainers in Vegas, that are sort of having a hard time, getting work and getting stuff and sort of, but you've got to find yourself a niche.
Yeah.
And you're enjoying every bit of it.
And when we do it together, it's pinktimemagic.com.
There you
And
go.
it's called Cynical and Senseless Sorcery.
Cynical and senseless sorcery.
sorcery.
I love that.
And then if it's just me by myself doing strolling, it's a hospitality suite or something,
Yes.
it's vegasconventionmagician.com.
Okay, fabulous. So you
So-
can reach him if you want to make bookings and all that stuff. So thank you for coming
You're
on,
welcome.
David. Thank you so much. It's been
Thanks for having
amazing.
us.
Little magic going around at the Peppermill. We'll be back.